Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do something super exciting because I got this package in Paris and I brought it home with me, and it's a brand that I've always wanted to try. Sakto, they sent me this package. So today we're gonna do a skincare review, a first impressions review of Drunk Elephant products. I'm so excited. So it's a whole big bag full of different skincare products. And we're gonna try everything today, and I'm gonna share with you guys my first impressions and what it feels like. We're gonna share with you the price and where you can get it here in the Philippines. Hi guys! It's me! Welcome back! I guess I just really want to introduce myself a little deeper. Everybody has their own style, so you do you, girl. First, let's talk a bit about Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant is clean. We make clean compatible skincare. They live by a clean philosophy, and they say that they don't have the suspicious 6 essential oils, drying alcohols, silicones, chemical sunscreens, fragrances, and SLS. Not having this, they say, makes it appropriate for all skin types. And we're gonna see today. Ang dami! Okay. Maybe let's try with the biggest one. So this is the Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I have makeup now because we just finished shooting. So this is perfect to start with. So it says that it's a cleansing balm that melts all traces of dirt, makeup, and sunscreen from the skin. So this is Kiwi Strawberry Seed Blend with Virgin Marula Oil. And my friend said that Virgin Marula Oil is supposed to be really good for your skin. It comes with a quote. Said, I wanted something that didn't exist, so I made it myself. From Tiffany Masterson, the founder. True, isn't that where all innovation comes from, they say? It comes with a little applicator. Oh, na magnetic! Cute! Magnetic yung applicator para hindi nawawala. Oh, it comes with a little like booster pack. It's a bamboo booster exfoliant. It has no smell nga. Smells clean, but there's no fragrance. There's no other fragrance. It's like a hard balm. The directions are, we get a little scoop. Ayun. It's like a solid. It's a solid. You're supposed to rub it on your skin. This magnet is so convenient. It doesn't feel thick. It feels soft. It has no smell. It feels really smooth. Actually, it feels really good on your skin. I personally like these kinds of makeup removers because they don't give you that blurry eye. You know how some of the oils give you that blurry eye when you try to remove your makeup, especially your mascara. I think I put a little bit too much. You don't need so much pala. And now I'm just gonna massage this in and wash it off. I just removed my makeup and it was really easy. The one kasi that I'm using now, even if it's a balm and I remove my mascara, the mascara still falls down my eyes. So I still have to go over it again. But this one, I don't have to do that. And my skin feels more moisturized. It feels softer. So there's another cleanser in here. This is Beste No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. It has cantaloupe and glycerin and it's pH 5.5. Guys, is it cantaloupe? Cantaloupe? Cantaloupes? So this is a jelly cleanser that removes all traces of makeup, excess oil, pollution, and any other grime from the day, appropriate for all skin. Another cute thing about the Drunk Elephant products is the packaging. And look, there's a tip. It says we recommend skipping the morning cleanse as it's not necessary if you've cleansed your skin the night before. So it's cool that they're honest that way and they don't want you to just keep using their products para maubos at bumili ka ng bago. Oh, syempre, why do I keep smelling it? I forgot. It's fragrance-free. All their products are fragrance-free because they said that yung suspicious 6, they claim that these things are the ones that cause your skin problems. So if you keep using just simpler products, then you're supposed to be able to go barefaced. Let's just try it a bit on my hand. It's a light cleanser. There, it lathers up even without water. So I guess this is something that you can use in addition to the balm, the makeup remover balm, if you wanna wash your face and make sure your face is clean. And I know that the pH levels are really important. So this one is pH 5.5, which is supposed to be the perfect pH level for your skin, right? This is a good product if you are a double cleanser like me. So I always still use a facial wash. In this case, a jelly cleanser. Okay, so there are still so many products here, and I was asking which one I have to show first depending on the order. But you can just mix all of these products together and use them together, and it's called a smoothie. So at least that's hassle-free. This is the A-Passioni Retinol Cream to reboot and smooth. And it has 1% retinol, photoprotective xanthophylls, what is that? And pH 5.8. Plus, it has a little sample of B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So, retinol is supposed to diminish the appearance of fine lines, sun damage, and deep wrinkles, revealing younger looking and more vibrant complexion. So, I guess basically this is for a reboot of your skin to go back to its healthy, youthful state. I need this. When I was younger, super nagbababad ako sa beach. Super nagpapaitim ako without putting sunblock. Wala akong pake. And that's really bad, guys. So if you do that, please don't do that. You can use it morning or night, and it can be mixed with any Drunk Elephant cream or oil. And it also has a tip on which you can mix it with, which is this. It's cool because a lot of their products come with a little bonus that you can mix. Just a pea-sized amount. So they said that you just put it on your face, avoiding the eye area. I heard that retinol is supposed to give you like a weird feeling, but I can't really feel anything other than it feels moisturizing. I'm waiting for something to happen, like something to sting, but I can't feel anything stinging. It feels thick. It feels super moisturizing, which is what I need. I do have so many laugh lines because I'm always smiling and laughing. So I always try to address that. Always try to moisturize it extra. It feels moisturized. It doesn't feel sticky. Parang ang bilis niya mag-dry, so it doesn't feel heavy. It feels good. This is the B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So it's to quench and illuminate. It has pineapple ceramide, provitamin B5, and is a pH 5.7. So they say that this is like a drink of water for your thirsty skin. It's ultra hydrating. It's supposed to make your complexion appear brighter and more youthful. My makeup artist in Paris said that all you need is water. She said all you need is water. And it's true because my skin is really dry. So if you have dry skin also, it's really always important to moisturize. Just twist it. So you can use it on your face, neck, chest, hands, or any place needing increased hydration. Ah, sarap. Feels super moisturizing, and it has like a cold effect. It feels really cool on the skin. This is nice because you can also use it on your hands. And it's so important to also take care of your hands, especially for those people who drive. You don't know it, but your hands get really bad sun damage. And when we're older, kung sobrang ganda ng face natin, pero makahalata pa rin sa hands natin na it's wrinkly and damaged, then it's something that can be avoided. This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil for Nourish and Balance, and it's 100% unrefined, so meaning this is just natural marula oil. So Virgin Marula oil is like a rehab for your skin. It has omega-6 and 9, it balances and nourishes, and is appropriate for all skin, including the most sensitive. That's me! My skin is super sensitive. I've always been curious why it's called Drunk Elephant. And now I know that it's called Drunk Elephant because they say that elephants get drunk on marula oil. So I guess this is their star ingredient because I've also read it in the ingredients of the previous products that I've read. So it says that you just apply 2 to 3 drops to face, neck, chest, hands, cuticles, backs of arms, or any place needing increased moisture. So I guess this is like one of those products that you can bring with you anywhere because you can use it for everything. So let's just put some. 1, 2. It feels good. It's like a thick oil. It feels really potent. As in, 2 drops lang yun, pero I can really feel it like seeping in. Medyo makapal siya. So if you're uncomfortable with heavy products, just make sure to put a little lang. But it's good because whatever's left on your hands, you can just use to spread to your cuticles, which is something that's also always dry for me. This is the C-Firma Day Serum, and it has a sticker that it's one of the best beauty buys of InStyle magazine. So it's 15% ascorbic acid, pumpkin ferment extract, and it's pH 3.3. Vitamin C works for me because I feel like it really brightens my skin. Vitamin C is something that you have to use right away. You shouldn't store it, and you should put it in the fridge to make sure that it stays fresh. So you apply it in the morning, then you're supposed to follow it with sunblock. Oh my gosh, it's an oil! I didn't expect that, because the one I have is like a white cream. This is thinner in texture than the Marula oil. It smells a bit medicine-y, but I know that once you put this on your skin, you can't really smell anything. Wow, this feels super powerful. Medyo thick din siya sa skin mo. And I know you're not supposed to put it on your eye area, and you really have to put sunblock after, because vitamin C only works well if your skin is protected from the sun. When products are a bit thick like this, parang, I don't know if it's in my head, but I really feel it like filling in my wrinkles, filling in my lines. What's nice about all the products is it doesn't leave like a sticky feeling on my face, even if parang tatlo na yata yung nilagay ko. It doesn't feel sticky, and I don't smell like face cream. So these are the two eye creams. This one is the Shaba Complex Eye Serum. It's supposed to smooth and hydrate, while this one is the Vitamin C, the C-Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. So I guess it's like the eye version of the vitamin cream, of the Vitamin C that I showed you guys earlier. This one naman is supposed to firm and brighten. So it's up to you, I guess, which one you want to choose, which one you want to use on your eyes. I think I want to use this one. This is supposed to be a satiny eye serum that's supposed to tackle major signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkle, and sun damage. It has black tea, and I can't pronounce the other stuff. But it's supposed to give you a more rested, youthful appearance. And we all want to look like we got 8 hours of sleep, even if we only got 3. Okay, so this is pwede for morning and night. Let's try. Put it under your eyes and around your orbital bone. Not sure if you're supposed to put it up your kilay. Here lang. What's the orbital bone? Guys, if you know the proper way to put eye cream, let me know. It feels so good. It feels really cold. It feels super moisturizing. This one does not feel thick. Okay, I know you should use your ring finger when you're applying skincare, especially around your eyes, because it's the one with the least pressure. Super light lang siya, and it feels really moisturizing. Feels really lavish. Their packaging is also airtight, so no particles get in. Well, ako ang naisip ko lang it's convenient because I don't have to remove a cap and I don't have to find it after. But it's supposed to be better for your product that it's airtight and it can't be contaminated. So these are two moisturizer options. This one is a protein moisturizer. It's called Protini. Oh my gosh, now gets ka ng smoothie. This is the Protini Polypeptide Cream to strengthen and moisturize. It has peptides, pygmy water lily, and has a pH level of 4.0. You can apply it morning and night, and it's supposed to revive your younger skin almost from the first application. Parang I need to try this. Lines, wrinkles, and signs of sun damage appear reduced. While this one is supposed to be the heavier version. This is called Lala Retro Whipped Cream. It's for rescue and recover. So it has 6 African oils, ceramides, and a higher pH level of pH 5.2. So this one is anytime also. And you can also mix this with a serum or oil as part of your Drunk Elephant smoothie. So that's convenient. At least once ka na lang maglalagay, nakahalo na lahat. So this is for tired, dehydrated, dry skin. Now I'm confused kasi parang I need this one also. Hey, that's so cool. I've never seen a moisturizer come in this packaging. Ooh, sarap. This one feels thin. It feels easy to spread. And comes off really clear because I've had moisturizers that are so thick that you still have to make sure that you don't have any white spots left on your face. I don't know, I'm just so amazed that I have so many products already on my face, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. This is the whipped cream. So this one is a bit fluffier. So I guess if you need more moisture, you should use this one. This one is for tired skin. I guess it packs on more moisture. So these are the last two products. This is the T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum to refine and retexturize. So this one is AHA BHA blend. I've recently been an AHA BHA convert. So this one also has raspberry extract and pH 3.8. It's supposed to curb excess oiliness and reveals greater clarity practically overnight. This is really something that I like using because I feel like it's a final step to your cleansing routine. I feel like it gets off all the dirt and it really improves your fine lines, which is something that, you know, we're all trying to avoid. One tip is that you can mix this with the virgin marula oil. So that's cool. Ah, it's like a gel. You're supposed to use this at night and apply to your face, neck, and the backs of your hands. Let's try. Ang dami ko nang nilagay. Ang shiny ko na ba? This is the first time that I'm using an AHA that comes in a gel because the one I have is actually the Glossier solution and it's like a toner. It's a liquid. So this one also still has a moisturizing effect. Sometimes I worry kasi na since dry na yung skin ko, when I keep wiping away with toners and solutions, that maybe it gets more drier and more irritated. So this one is a cool option because it's a gel. So it feels moisturizing even if it's an acid. And it doesn't feel stingy. There's no bad effect on my skin. There's nothing odd I can feel. It feels refreshing. So it's a really good sign because I've tried products that after one application, super namumula ako and super mahapde. And dati tinitiis ko yung ganun because I thought it was normal. But this is making me realize that it doesn't have to be that way. Last, one of my favorite products to try. This is Lippe Balm. Lip Balm, Soothe and Rescue. With mongongo nut oil. Ano yun? Mongo ba yun? Cute! It's a little lip balm. So, of course, you just apply it to your lips as needed. But it says that you can also apply it to your eye area. Maybe if you need extra moisture? If you need extra moisture around your eyes, then it's cool to have the stick that you can bring. I mean, kunyari, you're out and you don't have any skincare with you, at least you can use your lip balm for emergencies. Oh my god. It feels really good. When I rubbed my lips together, it melted. It doesn't feel thick. Feels super moisturizing and manipis lang siya, so it doesn't feel like annoying. I know some people might not like lip balm because it feels heavy, but this one feels really nourishing. Okay, that's it. That's the whole Drunk Elephant line that we got today. I'm so happy because nothing hurts, nothing was stinging, nothing felt uncomfortable. Everything felt nourishing and super easy to use. I think it's really cool that you can mix the ingredients together, so it cuts your skincare time in half or like even more because you can apply everything all at once. It's super user-friendly because it already says what the product is for right out the bat, like on the box. And I think it's really cool that they don't have any artificial fragrances or essential oils. So I'm so happy. Thank you, Drunk Elephant, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I hope that anyone who was as curious as me about Drunk Elephant was enlightened. So let me know in the comments what you think. Tag me if you end up buying one of the Drunk Elephant products. I'd love to hear your review, and let me know. I'll be waiting. Don't forget to click like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys!